Hey guys, what is up? Today we will be playing the one and the only Animal Company. Wait, what? How's what was that? I am back. So I just started charging. I'm pretty sure. And this time, I'm sorry. I've been like really scared.
But what's
really
up here?
scared of
What's up here? Hey, got your bucket on here.
It's not charging.
Cat.
What? How is that?
Cat.
No.
Hey,
Yeah.
Hey, Will.
No.
Hey, Will. You wanna get on the way? Hey,
Okay.
Will. Hey, Will. I'll give you money if you go on the ride.
Finally.
I need more. If you go on the ride, I'll give you money.
So today we're going to try to unplug the brain. Yo,
Yeah,
who wants to unplug the brain with me? I need 3 volunteers. You want to unplug the brain? Kitty? Cat. You want to? You want to unplug the brain? White. Do you want to unplug the brain? All right. All right. All right, everyone. If you want to unplug the brain, go to the code ATLAS.
What's your name?
Yeah, my name.
Knock Shadows. Knock Shadows.
And that is ATLAS.
Wait, what's your name?
Not
What's
the
your
Shadows.
Yeah.
My name is
What's your name?
BAB.
EAB. Oh, got you.
ATLAS to unplug the brain. I will be waiting.
Okay, join me. I'ma join.
Nobody's here. Whatever. Definitely a flashlight. I'm gonna need some sort of weapons, so I'm gonna get a chaos axe. How did I grab that? I thought I grabbed a chaos axe. What? Yeah. Wait, what? No idea where that just went. But let's go. So, I know I'm restarting my channel, but I still have Atlas's animation, which has 25 subs, which I'm so happy I have 25 subs. So, yeah. I get like really scared because I'm like a 9-year-old. You guys get it, right? Tell me. But since I'm listening to Chubbier Snail, I'm not that scary. Not that scary when I'm with Chubbier Snail. Alright, we have make it. So wait, I'm an idiot. We can't unplug the brain. We can't unplug the brain. And there's only one reason why we can't unplug the brain. because we need like 3 people. But I can kill the responsible teams. So let's do it. Let's do it. So let's go. Where are you? Awesome. No, I died. That guy's angry. That guy's angry. Let's just go mining. I don't know. Let's get some lava cubes. Get some lava cubes. What the? I need this back. And that really sucks. So let's get the glided pickaxe and the large overprint backpack. Let's go. Is my light on? Yes, on. Let's go. The grapplers are absolutely so. Let's go where the monsters are. Holy, how did red light, green light on? How? I don't like you! Wow. That cut. Can red light, green light just chill? So, gotta get all of this. No! The backpack! Got it. It's on my back. Can you just die already? Alright. Get some should we go into the code snail and see? There. What if snail is there? Hi. I don't know what's wrong with him. Thanks, I guess. No! My lava cubes. No, 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 no! My lava cube. All right, let's go. Oh, what am I doing? All right, so let's get the grappler slash hook shot, and let's go. Go down to where my stuff is. No! No! I'm cooked. Honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna get anything. Got it. I can't. Oh. Wow. No! No! Dude. Why? Why? I have to clear my daily company coins. Still need to be able to buy the nut shredder. And a flashlight. And back. Oh, I'm an idiot. Dig the lighted pickaxe. All right. Go over here. Dang. Bro, get a dentist! You're dead. Psychopath. No! No. Ow. Careful. Okay, mine. Red light, green light over here. Oh, there he is. Oh my god, why is he so fast? Where'd it go? I need to kill him. Got him. No. Alright, why is he still tweaking out? Why is he still... Oh my god. Oh, where's it go? I don't care why he's still tweaking out, but we shouldn't worry about him because he's bad. Oh, so it's going here. Wow. Careful. Oh my god! Armstrong, what's your problem? It's early. Well, he's still tweaking out. Alright, I'm gonna go. No! No! No, how did he kill me? No, I fell. I fell. Let's get 3 volunteers to unplug the brain with me. None of my friends are online. Tommy! Authorization failed. Yeah. Hold on, what is happening? I don't know what's happening. I want to keep them there and eat them. Okay. So, I honestly do not know what just happened. So, we're going to have to restart my game, get some people, so we can actually unplug the brain. Let's just do it. Let's turn some up. But, now, fire. I actually have the loading screen. I need 3 volunteers to unplug the brain with me. 3 volunteers. Who wants to unplug the brain with me?
Press it again.
You?
You're orange, press it again. It didn't
You
work.
want to unplug the brain?
I'm stuck here.
Whoever
This guy's trying to steal my car.
Whoever wants to unplug the brain, go to the one and the only stump.
Help me. I'm trying to join the code, but this guy keeps trying to steal my thing.
Yo, it's a bus.
None of you are getting it because you guys keep trying to steal it.
I might have given it to you.
Can I have it?
I don't want a bus, bro. That bus sucks, bro.
Can I have it?
Stop.
Oh no, why is my game lagging so hard?
Come to Goof Machines if you want to test out a rocket ship.
Me!
You want to test out a rocket ship?
Yeah.
All right.
No, I want
Okay,
to!
pick this up. Pick it up and press B twice, okay?
I want to pick it up. I want to pick it up.
No,
my
you
turn.
already got it.
Thank you, my other brother.
Yo, guys, get away before I crash the code. Get away before I crash the code.
No!
Okay, wait.
Crash the code, I don't care.
Black.
Crash
No,
it.
bro, don't do
Crash
that.
the code.
How did you
Black
make that
is
kind? How did you make that?
Black.
Crash the code.
Do
How
you
did
just
you
want to go to
make that?
Code Black?
Yeah,
Join a code Black?
want to go. Yeah, I'll join a code.
Yeah.
Who wants
That
it?
looks actually really cool.
It's the loading screen!
Me, I want it.
Oh, what's the code?
Bro, can I have it?
Face this way and press B twice.
Can I have that? Go, please.
Alright, come over here if you want it. Whoa, get- Oh god.
This game is glitching. Don't crash it.
Hey, are you guys sorry?
No, do not.
No, I'm not sorry! I'm not sorry! I'm not sorry!
I told you I can't.
You're welcome.
Grab it. No.
I'm upping the
grab it now. What did you do?
Lag again!
Oh, sorry, we didn't mean to do that.
My game.
Ah!
Come on, use it. Oh my god, no, my game is lagging.
Please, Peterini, I need these!
Alright, there you go. It's because this guy said he's
Lag
sorry.
the game again, more!
Who's it? Yo, Pug, you want to test out my rocket ship?
Yeah. I want to have another one.
I want to! Lag the game even more!
Get out the bro. Do you know what I did last time? I will do it again, bro.
Do it again, please!
No.
I will give you my...
No.
If you do it,
press B twice.
I'll give you my whole entire stash
Wait,
if
I
you
want to
just
make
do
sure
it.
that I have this saved because I want to.
I will give you my whole
Yeah,
entire
do it.
stash.
Don't do that, please. Don't
Do-
do that.
Do it and I'll...
Alright,
and I'll...
face this way and then press B
No.
twice.
Yo, that's W.
Alright,
That
you
thing
two
is
are
fire. It makes me go flying black. That's actually W.
Can these guys
These kids are
leave,
gonna
bro?
try to steal it. These kids are
Yeah,
don't steal it.
I'm
Don't
just
steal
not
it.
gonna
Let's
do
do
it
it.
right
Wait.
now. I'm just not gonna do it. I'm just not gonna do it.
Can you
I'm just
buy
not
me
gonna
one
do it.
too? Give me one.
No, I'll just wait. I'll just wait.
Look, wait.
Loading
Stand to the stand. I'm gonna stand.
Give me another one. I need one. Give me one.
Look, I'm about to log their games.
Come over here if you want it. Oh, yay! It's lagging!
Oh
Just-
my.
just-
Yeah,
Come
why
on,
are
come on,
you lagging again?
come on,
Wait,
come on.
I want to be able to get it. Come on. Wait. My game. Give me it.
It's too laggy.
It's too laggy.
I can't. My
More!
gonna crash.
Give me it. No. Why not again?
Why would you do that?
Oh my
Face
God.
this way and just face this way and press B twice.
Katsune, can you make me one of
Yo, what the
those?
heck?
Yo, can I please
Yeah,
have
yeah,
one?
yeah.
Rocket ship.
Give me one. Can you make me one of those?
Black, can I please have one?
Do not give them. Do not give them.
Do not give it.
We can be the only ones with these rocket ships.
Please, can I have one?
I have a rocket ship.
Can I have
Heck no,
one?
bro. You guys are not getting me spawned
I
in.
want a rock
Heck
ship.
no, bro. Get out of here.
Oh my
Heck no.
god, bro. Whoa.
Fine, if you give me a
I'm not-
rocket ship,
different code.
I'll give it. No.
Oh my game! Hey, stop lagging the game out. God dang.
My bad. That's my bad. That's my bad.
Hey, you
guys.
can't cuss, bro. I'm gonna record.
Oh!
I will give you another one of those, but it will be loaded if you just give me it.
Oh my
I will give you
goodness gracious.
this. I will give you this if you give me
If you
that.
give me that, I'll give you one. If you give me that, I'll give you one.
Okay.
I want one.
Millions of them.
Scammer gets scammed. I want one. Woo! Please.
Guys, where are you?
Everyone.
Scammer gets calmed.
Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Whoa! Whoa!
Scammer gets scammed.
That didn't actually. Bro, what do you mean scammer gets scammed?
Ew, I want one.
Dub.
Oh, stop lagging at the
The
server.
very first server I go in is freaking someone trying to crash it.
Yeah, turn the server lag off, please. Turn it off. Turn the server lag off.
The very first.
Finally. God, I want to box it. I want the thing that you have to.
Get it! No!
The thing that you have to. Guys, get not. Do not,
Pick it
bro,
up,
I
okay.
swear. You're making a server lag. Katsune, I want the thing you have.
I want to know how this thing works.
Have a whole bunch of flare guns.
Occupy.
Hey, can you make one for me? Can you make one for me, Katsune? I want one, please. Oh my god.
I'm not a kitsune.
You look like one.
I want.
No.
What are you?
No. Yeah, well, who just quit me?
Oh.
No.
Yo, look at this, bro.
Yo, can I have it?
Oh, that they glitched this.
Can I have a shotgun?
It's a musket. I also have a rifle.
It's still breathing.
I also have this rifle too.
Why is it lagging? Do you have a Lagifier 2.0?
Yeah.
No, but I do have a nuke.
Show me that nuke. I want
It's
to.
not really nuke. It just sounds like a nuke.
Let me use it.
It's a dragon.
3, 2, 1.
Fire in the hole!
Incoming nuke!
Fire in the hole!
No!
Wait, spawn another one.
see.
I want the nuke kit to actually work. Spawn another one.
Does anyone want to grind with me?
I'll spawn one over here.
Everybody cannot test the Lagifier 2.0.
Fire in the hole!
Yo, can I get another one, Dinosaur? Dinosaur, can I get another one? Yo, I like the fit. Yo. Can we get another one?
Oh, yo, if you want the rifle, you can have it. You can take the rifle.
Can I have that? Not so fast, bunk.
Hey, Dinosaur, come over here. Dinosaur, I have a little present for you.
We destroy his thing.
Safe saying, mate.
Dinosaur,
These are so cool.
Yeah.
here, join my code. Follow me.
Oh,
No, dinosaur. Dinosaur, I want a rifle.
Friend me.
You have a rifle?
Dinosaur, friend me.
Guys, I'm gonna go into the selling
Someone
machine
friend me.
and someone sell me.
Doesn't work.
Guys, I have a plane. Woo! Woo! Bam! Dinosaur!
All right, got you.
Can I have a rifle? Dinosaur, let me friend you.
All right, join my code. All right, just join. I don't know where it is. Dinosaur gonna join. Is he joining? Yes, no. Is he gonna join? Come on, awesome sauce. Come on, dude. Come on, please. Awesome sauce, where are you?
Yo.
I said join, bro.
Dude. Yeah, but bro, I can't because you appeared offline.
Huh?
Bro, like, if you come up here.
Yeah.
Like, what does it say right here?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. You have to hold it.
All right, join.
Yep.
There. All right, what do you want for my stash? Name anything.
Dude, I already have everything in the game.
Damn. All right, let's
I'm
see
willing to
here.
trade inventions.
Well, it happens to be that I have the one and the only loading.
I'll trade it for the nuke.
For the nuke. Yeah, okay. I'll do that. This one technically is a nuke. It has missiles on it, so. I mean, just look at those missiles. Look at those
Well,
missiles.
I gotta rename the nuke to the Dragon Flare. It just sounds way better.
So, I need 3 volunteers to go unplug the brain with me. So, do you want to unplug the brain?
Yeah, why not?
Alright! I'm recording right
Wait,
now,
hold
so
on.
you can do
Hold
it.
on. If I can do it.
Wait, can I test the nuke? Can I test the nuke?
Yeah.
Here we go. Ah! Ow! Alright, we're gonna need to get supplies. Get supplies! Get supplies! Ah, bro! Turn that off! Get rid of it! Here. Take the hook shot.
Oh no, grapplers aren't good for this map.
Huh?
Here, I got you. Here's everything you need. Yeah, you have hip holsters, right?
Yeah.
Alright, here.
I have both of them.
You have a large backpack, right?
Yeah.
You need a pickaxe,
Why the pickaxe?
so we can get the brain matter.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Hold up, I'm not done. And this to get there.
Oh. But why that?
Just wait. So we can just like do one jump and we'll already be there. It's for speedrun purposes.
Okay, let's do it.
Wait, yo, don't we need 3 people?
Yeah, to grab the brain, so.
So how are 2 people gonna do it?
We'll try. I've never been to the brain, so. Can can we not use a cheat code?
Are you ready?
Can we not? Oh shoot! Can we just not use a cheat code?
Alright.
Can we just do it regular?
I mean, there was a way to skip the annoying part, but never mind that.
Well, I need beans.
Although I do tend to speedrun this map. So,
It's easy to speedrun this. Literally too easy.
Alright.
Alright.
Now we just gotta go here. Wait, or you wanna do it like the real way?
What do you mean real way?
Like actually go through the map or teleport?
I want to go through the map. Cause it's more fun that way. It's more fun that way. Am I right?
Put your pickaxe away.
Yeah, it is a way. Hi, buddy.
Yeah.
Wrong way.
Not this.
Hey, Diddy, go away, Diddy.
Not this second.
Go away, Diddy.
Walk around and walk around and run.
Come on.
Okay, if we just pull this wall.
Go away. Go. Run. Just sit here until he's done. Okay, let's go. Just gonna go this way.
Go here. Yeah?
Now we made it.
Can Alex do it?
Ow!
I'm doing something right now.
Come on. Alright.
Hey, what's up, Coda? How you doing, man?
Don't hit him. Ah. Alright, here we are. I have no idea how to
Have
get
you done
out
this
here.
before?
Yeah, I've been here, but I don't know how to get out. I have no idea how to get out. Ugh. Ah! Where are you? Wait up.
Okay. Make sure you have your pickaxe out for extra mobility. Run. Okay, get your pickaxe out and put it like this. Like you're holding it on the edge. Okay, do you trust me?
Yeah?
Okay, so this part is very, very risky. Eventually change it. Okay, good. Alright, so right. You have to go down there and turn the corner.
Huh?
Just follow, okay? Stay right behind me.
What is this?
Normally
Oh.
it's way harder.
What happens if I fall?
Nothing.
Ah!
It happens. You gotta be careful around here. Wow, how rude you're putting your finger.
There's a plug! Right we take the plug out?
You need 3 people. You know, just try pulling it out. Grab it on a different side.
I can't grab
Here,
it.
just like grab it.
Ah!
You need 2 hands. You need 2 hands. Let's start the flashlight.
Got it.
And pull. Pull up.
The other way!
Yeah, but the thing is we need 3 people to do it. You know,
Go!
like I said before.
Go! Ah!
Yeah, no matter how hard you pull, it won't come out.
How are we gonna do this?
Well, you need 3 people.
3 people won't work.
Yeah, it will. It does.
Oh.
How it? Yeah.
Ah! Ah! How are we gonna get another person?
Out in the plug.
Let's get another person. How are we gonna get another person? Oh, okay. Ah, I'll open it. You get in the plug.